G'day there folks. Here we have a 45mm master that looks like it's been run over by a bloody bulldozer. She's pretty battered. It's hard to appreciate what it actually looks like on camera. It doesn't look that bad on camera, but yeah, she's pretty battered. When I got it, the bottom fell off it. And it's got patented, and you'll never read the M1, but it's got M1 down the bottom there. I don't know if you'll be able to make that out. So anyway, this thing still works fine. It gives a minute to set this camera up. Right, how's that look? Should be close. Yeah, this thing. It must depend on what side of my head I parted my hair each morning. Sometimes it's easy to pick, other times it's a real little dog. So we'll take potluck today. I haven't got a key for it, obviously. So we'll take potluck today and see if we can get it. Up in the front. A little bit of tension required on the plug or the core. Feels like there is a spool in it because I have no idea what's in it, but by the way the tension wrench moves, gives the impression of a false set. And I might have overset one already. Or maybe not. Oh, there's, oh, it's open. I thought that was going to be the false set. And of course I can only turn it so far as the bottom of the block shows you. Oh well. Well, there it is. Nothing like playing around with a beaten up old padlock. Okay, thanks for watching that. Hooroo.